everyone! Today we'll show you how to build your Prismic Star Lantern. We've conveniently indexed each step of the building process. This means you can follow along and build with us, or use the index to skip ahead to the specific step you're working on. Before we begin, your Prismic kit should have everything you need, including locking pins, a hanging hook, LED string lights, 5 Prismic panels, and pointed bamboo sticks to help you poke the holes if necessary. You'll also see a protective film on both sides of the panels. You can peel them off now or do them as you go, whatever works best for you. Let's jump right in. Lay out all the panels together, like this. This helps you visualize how everything fits together. Pick up panel number 1, this one. Don't worry if your panels don't have a number, just make sure the pieces are arranged like this. Now, fold the panel along the red and blue lines. Remember, the red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. The flat edges are the edges on the outside that don't have an obvious crease. The tabs are the edges that protrude from the main panel and have an obvious crease. Remember that the folded tabs should always go under the connecting edge, not on top of it. Match the flat edges with the tabs and secure them with locking pins. You also need to remember that the locking pins always go from outside the panel towards the inside of the Prismic. Hooray! You just built the first arm of your Prismic Star. Set it aside for now while we work on the others. We'll be following the same basic process for the remaining arms. Pick up panel number 2 and fold it along the red and blue lines. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Connect the sections with locking pins just like you did in step 2. Take the 2 arms you made from steps 2 and 3 and connect the flat edges to the matching tabs. Your star should look like this. Pick up panel number 3 and repeat the folding and connecting process. Fold and bend along the red and blue lines. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Connect the flat edges to the tabs with the locking pins. Connect the third arm to the main assembly by matching the flat edges to the tabs. Remember, the tabs go on the inside. It should look like this. Pick up panel number 4 and repeat the same process. Fold and bend along the red and blue lines. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Connect the flat edges to the tabs using the locking pins. Attach the fourth arm to the rest of the star by connecting the flat edges to the matching tabs. It should look like this. Now for the fun part, lighting up your Prismic star. There's no right or wrong way to do this, because either way, no matter how you place them, your Prismic will light up beautifully. Uncoil the LED string lights, then gently push them through the opening of your star. Make sure to spread them out evenly. Leave the thicker part of the cord outside. Pick up panel number 5. Remove and discard the hole cutout cover. Fold it along the red and blue lines. The red lines fold up towards you, and the blue lines fold down away from you. Don't connect them with locking pins just yet. Tie a knot in the light string. This will stay inside the Prismic, stopping the cord from sliding out. Pull the thick part of the LED light string through the point of the fifth arm. Make sure the knot is inside the star before closing. Push the locking pins through to secure the final panel. Connect the flat edges inside the panel to their matching tabs. The access hole is for your finger to reach inside the star. It will help you connect the hard-to-reach final connections. This last step is optional, but it lets you show off your beautiful Prismic star. Slide the wire between the pin and the folding piece of the hook. Take the middle portion of the hook and fold it toward the pin sticking out of the base, then click the circle onto the pin to lock the hook onto the wire. You can adjust the position as needed. And there you have it! You've built your very own Prismic Star Lantern. Plug it into a USB port, turn off the lights, and admire your handiwork. Show off your Prismic, connect with us on social media, or sign up to join our exclusive email list at plbfun.com/VIP. We love treating our VIPs right. Have fun showing off your beautiful Prismic.